In this video, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Let's see, uncaught syntax error. Redeclaration of number buttons. Okay. Noteless. Trying to figure out what's wrong with my code. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. It's not picking up number buttons. Okay, 0. What am I looking at? Okay. So we got a list of number buttons here. 0, undefined, number buttons dot for each, query dot selector dot select all. So we got all the number buttons, right? Data number. Holy shit! Data number, data slash number, right there. Let's try it again. I must have spelled something wrong. Let's see, select all data, number, undefined. Script. How do I print a log? Console.log. Okay. Console.log number buttons. Okay, nothing's happening. 2. Nothing is happening. There is something wrong with this selector right here. There's something wrong with this selector right here, and I'm not sure what. There is something wrong with that selector. Document.query selector, document.query selector, data number. To obtain a noteless. To obtain a note list of all the P elements in a document, you use this, right? What's this? iframe. Assessing matches, highlighted. Okay. Document.query selector, select. What am I doing? Okay, div class dot select. If it's a class, then you can do that, right? If it's a class, you can do that. Dot. If it's a P, what's a P? This right? I don't know. Is that right? I don't want to write any more of his code because it's not working right now. I don't want to write any more of this code. It's not working right now. So that was a failure. But good thing he gave us his source code so I can look through it and see what he did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up his project right now that I downloaded. See if that works. Okay, let's look through his source code. Okay. Okay, Windows capture. Okay, so this is his project right here. See what he did. Okay, we got index, script, JS. Calculator all the way down here, update display, data numbers, okay. Numbers dot for each. See if his script is similar to mine. Previous operand, current operand. Okay, yeah, it looks the same thing. Looks the same. Weird. Very weird. See his styles are right there. His index. Let's see his index. Calculator grid output. Previous operand. Span 2. Del 1, 2, 3. Star 4, 5, 6. Data number. Operation data equals span 2 button. Okay. So why is my calculator not working? Saved everything already. Why is my calculator not working? His calculator is working.
No matter what number we click on, it'll show up there. But if you click on an operation, for example,
Let's just watch the whole damn thing then.
So now we know that our attendee member function is properly hooked up to all of our buttons, and our display is properly being hooked.
That's not working, dude. It's not changing anything. Let's do a console.log. Like when you click on the button, make it print something. Okay. Update display. Console.log. Button.inner text. Oh, sorry. Alright, let's try this. Okay. Console.log button.inner text. Not working. Nothing's happening. This class is not doing anything. This class is not even connected to your button. This class is not even connected to the button because nothing's happening here. Is this right? Button.inner text. For each button, do this. For each button, do that. Huh? What? What the hell? For each button, do this. Did I write the same thing? Did I make a typo somewhere? Did I make a typo somewhere? Let's see, 1, 2. No, it looks the same thing as his code, right? 1, 2. The same thing. Your code doesn't work, sir. Your code is bad, it's really bad. Nothing's happening here. Nothing's happening. Stupid. I refuse to write any more code that doesn't work. That's all. I shall now paste all his source code in there. Yeah. Nothing's working. Let's try launching another browser. Maybe I need to clear the cache or something. But I think there's something wrong with my JavaScript file. there's something wrong with my JavaScript file. That's working, right? Goth, that's my font. What's wrong with this? Body HTML. Let's load the JavaScript at the end. Okay. Okay, now it's working. So I have to load it at the end for it to work. If I load it in the beginning, it doesn't work. So I have to load the JavaScript at the end, okay, of the body for it to load. So that's the error that I made. I don't know why this guy loaded his JavaScript file. He loaded his JavaScript file right here. Oh, he put defer. What the hell does defer mean? What's defer? What does defer mean? Need to figure that out. What is defer? So the problem was that my JavaScript file did not load it properly. JavaScript. What is defer? The defer attribute is a Boolean attribute. When present, it specifies that the script is executed. When the page has finished parsing, it's neither async or defer is present. What? Okay, so this guy did something sketchy. He used defer and he put his JavaScript script to load right before the body, okay? Which is why it did not work. But then he used this defers and that bypassed it. So now everything works. And yeah, so for my code I put my JavaScript code at the end. I moved it there at the end and it works without using defer. So keep that in mind. And I was stuck on that for like at least an hour. That was crazy. I was wondering why my code didn't work. Oh, that's weird. I don't know why he didn't put classes for this one, but he just left it blank like that. It's weird. I'm not sure if that's the right way to write code, or if he's just doing that because he's lazy. I don't know. Is this enough to get a job? I don't know. Well, let's see. Our application is working now. +1. Okay. +9. Yes. Just need to check for bugs. Okay. So our application is working well. That's pretty good. Let's give it a title, or let's make let's give it a console. Let's use a responsive layout, web developer, responsive design mode. There it is. Okay, down here. So this is not responsive. Let's make it responsive though. Let's make it responsive. This application is not responsive. You see, if I resize it to like the cell phone, it's not gonna work. So we're gonna spend like a few minutes trying to figure out how to make it responsive. Okay. Most of the tutorials you see online, they're not responsive, so you have to figure out how to make it responsive yourself. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to make the calculator app responsive. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.